Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money with Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment service. To get started, you need to have a Venmo account, which you can create by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or by signing up on the Venmo website. First, open the Venmo app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the Venmo homepage, where you can view your balance, see recent transactions, and access various features. To send money, click on the Pay or Request button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a new page where you can enter the recipient's name, username, or phone number. You can also select a contact from your phone book by clicking on the Contacts tab. Next, enter the amount you want to send, and add a note or description to the payment if you want. This note will be visible to the recipient and can help them understand what the payment is for. After entering the amount and note, you will see a summary of the payment, including the recipient's name, the amount, and any fees associated with the transaction. Review this information carefully to make sure everything is correct. If you are using a credit card to fund the payment, you may be charged a small fee, typically 3% of the transaction amount. However, if you use your bank account, debit card, or Venmo balance, there are no fees. Once you have reviewed the payment details, click the Pay button to initiate the transaction. The recipient will receive a notification that they have been sent money, and they can then transfer the funds to their bank account or leave them in their Venmo balance. It is worth noting that Venmo has a weekly spending limit, which varies depending on whether your account is verified or not. If you have not verified your account, your weekly spending limit is $299. However, if you verify your account by providing some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth, your weekly spending limit will increase to $4,999. In addition to sending money, Venmo also allows you to request money from others, which can be useful for splitting bills or receiving payments for goods or services. To request money, click on the Pay or Request button and select the Request option. Enter the recipient's name, username, or phone number, and the amount you are requesting, and add a note or description if you want. Overall, sending money with Venmo is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and using Venmo responsibly, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that this service has to offer.